welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a lovely breakfast idea for your little one. Carrot apple oatmeal, perfect starting from 6 months of age. This breakfast recipe is not only super easy and fast to prepare for your little ones, but is loaded with nutrients, iron and vitamins, and most of all, can be enjoyed by the whole family too. The recipe is ready in 10 minutes. You simply heat the milk, and you can use any kind of milk that you like, pending your baby's age. If your baby is younger than 1 year, I would not suggest cow's milk. You can use almond or coconut milk. Otherwise, you can really follow your baby's taste. When the milk is heated, so it's almost boiling, simply add all the ingredients. That is the oats, the apple that I grated, the carrot that I grated, the vanilla, a pinch of nutmeg. You mix everything and simply let it cook the oatmeal, stirring once in a while for 8 to 10 minutes. You want the oatmeal to get nice and soft. At this point, it's totally up to your taste. You can serve the oatmeal like that to your baby, if your baby likes small chunks of food, soft but chunks, or if your baby is still in the puree stage, just use an immersion blender and create a nice and smooth puree. Or for mommy and daddy or older kids, you can top the oatmeal with fresh fruit, nuts, seeds. You can pick up the ingredients that you like the most. If you have any leftovers, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Sincerely, I would not suggest to freeze oatmeal. It can be done without any problem, but I think that the final texture, when you thaw it, it's not exactly the same. I really hope your baby and your entire family is going to enjoy this recipe. Please leave me comments in the area here below. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, it's totally free, and we're going to see each other next week with another recipe for BuonaPappa. And as always, buona pappa a tutti! Ciao!